Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to install, use, and work with ZControl, the first application we released as ZB Studio. First, you can view and examine our application by clicking the link we provided in the description to go to our website. On our website, you can download our ZControl application by pressing the download button. And as you can see, our installation file has started downloading. As you can see here, a Windows Smart Screen warning appears. This happens because our application is not digitally signed yet. With your support, we will be able to improve our application and provide a better and safer experience in the future. Here, we select the language that we will use during the installation. And here, we read the EULA agreement and confirm that we accept it. Here we choose whether we want the installer to create a desktop shortcut or not. And finally, we start the installation by clicking the Install button. Now we open the application by double-clicking the shortcut. First, I will show you the interface, and then I will explain how the remote control works. As you can see, we enable access on the local network by pressing the Start button next to the server status. As you can see, the server has started. To stop the server, we can either press Stop from the server status, use the Ctrl plus Shift plus F12 keys on our keyboard, choose the disconnect option, or disable local network access using the disconnect option from the tray icon. Second, with the Silent Start option, we can remove the server started notification when the server starts. Third, with the Auto Start feature, you can make ZControl start automatically when Windows starts. Fourth, we can specify which port our server will run on in the local network. By default, this port is 4556. Finally, we can see our password in the option at the bottom, and we can generate a random 8-digit password whenever we want. Now I will start our server and show you how the remote control works. As you can see, we enter the IP and port into our browser. In the window that opens, the username is always ZB Studio. The password is the 8-digit random password shown in the application. It is unique to you, so do not share it with anyone. We copy it by clicking on it and then paste it in. Finally, we click Login to access our panel. Using the keyboard feature, we can send keystrokes to the remote computer. With screen text, we can display text on the remote computer's screen. By clicking Open CMD, we can open the CMD panel on the remote machine. The Enter button simulates pressing Enter on the remote computer. The toggle volume option lets us turn the computer's sound on or off. Alt plus F4 simulates the Alt plus F4 shortcut, and Shutdown allows us to turn off the computer remotely. Finally, with the Stream feature, we can view the remote computer's screen and interact with it using touch. A normal tap simulates a left click, and a tap and hold simulates a right click. We can also monitor our ping and FPS status in real time. If you want to purchase a license for our application, you need to click the Buy License button on the interface. In the window that opens, there is a box where you can enter a license if you already have one. If you don't have a license, click the Click to Buy button at the bottom left. The application will then provide information. If you don't have a user account, you can create one to obtain the ZControl application license. If you already have an account, simply log in to receive your personalized ZControl license. Next, press OK, and if you don't have a user account, you can create one. If you already have an account, you can log in. After logging in, you can update your username or biography in your profile. Then click on the Shop section. In the window that opens, you can purchase a ZControl license. After clicking the Buy Now button, enter your contact information and include your username in the Notes field. Additionally, a small number of users can use the ZBeast Studio discount coupon to receive a 50% discount. Enter your card information to proceed with the payment. Your license will be manually added to your account within 24 hours. Since a license has already been assigned to my account, it is visible in my profile. Finally, you can enter the license you purchased in the License section of the application to activate your license and access all features. If you want to connect to your computer from outside the local network, you can integrate and use your ngrok information for free. Click the ngrok option on the interface. In the window that opens, click the Get Your ngrok token text at the bottom left. On the website that opens, log in if you already have an account. Otherwise, create one. In the dashboard that appears, click the Your Auth token button on the left side and copy the token. Then paste this token into the text box you previously opened in ZControl, enable the ngrok feature, and save it. Finally, when you start the server, you can copy the link provided to you and make your server accessible from anywhere. Now it is time to move on to using the licensed features. First, I will show you the Customizable Server Interface feature. To enable this feature, click the button below. Then go to the application files, find the templates folder, and open the panel HTML file inside it. The code you see here is the server's HTML and CSS code. This feature allows you to customize these codes however you want. If you know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can modify them however you like. If you do not, you can ask any AI tool to make the changes for you. After making your changes, start the server again. As you can see, the panel interface has changed and now has a more personal look. Our other licensed feature is Customizable Commands. For this feature, go back to the program files and find the commands.conf file. Inside it, specify which CMD command should run when a request is sent to a certain post address. First, define the post request address and then write the CMD command below it. You can add as many post and CMD addresses as you want, as long as the file structure stays the same. To send a post request to this address, create another button in the panel, .html file, that posts to the address you want, and save it. Finally, start the server and click the button you added. As you can see, the command I specified runs successfully. This feature helps you run any CMD command you want and makes it easier to handle your tasks remotely.